When my gaming channel had 1,000 subscribers, YouTube paid me about this much. At 10,000 subscribers, it changed completely. And by 100,000 subscribers, I realized something that most creators misunderstand. Subscribers are not what make money on YouTube. I started my channel VQ, and in its first month, which was, well, I started up in January 14th of 2022, I had gotten 100,000 views almost and 200 subscribers, but this was mostly from shorts, so it wasn't really the growth you would expect from long form. However, only a month after that, I had hit 1,000 subscribers and 5,000 watch time hours. At the time though, YouTube Shorts, if they were played in the browse feed, so not on the Shorts tab, it would count towards the 4,000 watch time hours. So even though I had like only shorts, I could still get monetized. So the time I was monetized was March 21st, 2022. And if we go into here, the first month that I was monetized with, well, 1,000 subscribers, I had gained another 3.3 thousand. I had made $742. Now, I had been mostly just doing shorts, but I also was live streaming a bit and making a few long form videos about the game RimWorld. And I tried the 100-day format here, and that made me $742 and 72 cents out of, well, my first month monetized, first month of 1,000 subscribers. So moving on from March until July, it wasn't really picking up with the revenue. Actually, there was this shorts bonus thing where you could get a bonus for the views. There wasn't any YouTube Shorts revenue at the time with the ads, and you can see that the revenue dipped quite a lot. I had gained about 5,000 subscribers. However, on June 5th, I had gained my first 10,000 subscribers. If we go into my first month at 10,000 subscribers, my revenue is actually lower at 10,000 subscribers than at 1,000 subscribers. And at this point, I was almost going to go into high school. So I was freaking out a little bit, or I was actually on vacation here. So I was planning out my next moves for the channel. But as you can see, the channel slowly started to die while I was on vacation. I wasn't really doing much and everything just dropped. So yeah, that is the revenue from June to July 5th. And from July 5th all the way to, well, October. This is when I had started high school. I think it was in August. And I ended up doing YouTube and going to school at the same time, which was a bit stressful. And during a big update for the game RimWorld that I was making, that led to me making $510.94 in a single day. And I will show you why I'm showing you this, because I had only around 27,000 subscribers at this time, and this month of October I made, or actually November should I say, I made $6,000, and by the end of November 2022 I had 34,000 subscribers. And I will show you exactly why subscribers don't matter, because by the time I hit 50,000 subscribers, which was February 2023, I had dropped out of high school in December, so I was going all out on YouTube. I was actually very happy that I could do YouTube full time. I really loved doing the gaming channel, and so I hit 50,000 subscribers in February, and again, I made almost half the amount that I made when I had 37,000 subscribers at $3,466.69 in February. And so the thing is that subscribers don't really matter, because the video ideas themselves act independently from what your audience already knows. It's all about the video idea and how it appeals to, you know, the regular and new people. I'm going to show you the entire earnings of 2023, because I had less than 100,000 subscribers for 2023, and you might be shocked because I had made $142,000 under 100,000 subscribers. This was because I was applying a format where I made long gaming movies. So I would take the format of Minecraft Minecraft 100 days and then apply it to RimWorld. And what happened was that this little movie format somehow did so well because the watch time and the average view duration, for example, this video has an average view duration of 1 hour and 18 minutes. As you can see, 1 hour and 18 minutes, an RPM of $21. And just to prove that this is not fake, I will go into euros here because I don't want to make you believe that I do not have the right currency, and then back to USD. So that is insane. My best performing video of 2023 was a 3 hour and 30-minute long video. It's still one of my most popular videos, and that is why some days I hit $855, others $700, $900. And so even under 100,000 subscribers, if you have the right format, which I highly recommend, making long videos, long gaming videos, that is something you should look into. I have many videos on this. However, in January of 2024, that is when I hit 100,000 subscribers. So I hit 100,000 subscribers in the month of January, and I made a few videos. I was more keen on quality over quantity, and as you can see, I made $14,142.47. And honestly, this was a great time period. But the thing is though, that I made more money in July 2023, so the summer of 2023, when I was under 100,000 subscribers, $19,000. Like, there are these periods where it just goes up and down and up and down, and I think the subscriber is good for a base, for the core audience, but after that you have to rely on your video ideas more than anything. And yeah, that is exactly how much YouTube paid me for these subscriber stages. And if you want to find out exactly how I made this kind of money and got the RPM that I had, then check out this video right here.